Hi. It's time to learn the second common sound of a.
E, E, E.
Blending sounds.
H-E-A-D. E, he, head, 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 head. R-E-A-D-Y. R, E, re. D, E, D. Ready, 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 ready.
Ed, head, dead, bread, dread, tread, ahead, thread, spread, instead. Air, pair, bear, wear, tear, swear. F, deaf. Good job. Bye.